Are you a food enthusiast, entrepreneur, baker, or simply looking for a side hustle? Are you looking to start a small chops business and wondering if spring rolls can be a profitable addition to your menu? This is the part 2 of our special small chops recipe. These delicious snacks are not just favorite at parties, but also a fantastic way to generate income with minimal startup cost. You can create mouth-watering spring rolls that people can't resist. Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel and thanks for stopping by here. Kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Let us have great fun together. Kindly watch till the end for the full recipe and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more healthy and active recipe ideas. Let's go straight into the video, shall we? Also check out the description box below for the full recipe. Go in with your all-purpose flour, salt, and then you mix. Think about it, everyone loves a good snack. From events to casual gatherings, there is always a demand for tasty appetizers. And now you gradually go in with your water. Kindly watch the part 1 of our special small chops recipe. The link will be in the description box below. Go in with the water gradually because you don't want your dough to be too sticky. At the same time, you don't want it to be hard. So go in bit by bit until you get a fluffy dough. Spring rolls, a versatile favorite that can be filled with anything from vegetables to protein. Both are highly sought after, making them ideal for your business. If you will be starting up a business with it, you can see that consistency that we have right there, not too soft and not too sticky. So you allow it to rest for about 10 minutes before we start kneading the dough. Now sprinkle some flour on the worktop. Then this is after 10 minutes, we'll start kneading it proper. First, let's talk about the essentials. You will need a great recipe that stands out. After kneading, then you want to make sure that your dough is in this form so as to get that round shape we are willing to get. Experiment your small chops with different fillings. Think spicy meat, delicious vegetables, both are highly sought after. The key is to create unique flavor that your customers will love and enjoy. Let's repeat this method again for full understanding. After spreading out the dough, here is the next step. That is oil. After rubbing with some oil, then we'll sprinkle some flour. Gently arrange the dough. We'll be layering just 4 here. So after spreading out the dough, you want to heat up your non-sticky pan and you go in with your layered dough. Make sure this is done under low heat. Once bubble starts to form like that, you then flip it over to the other side. You can see the bubble coming up again. Now the dough is ready. Allow it to cool down before you start separating it like this. This method needs to be done gently and very carefully so as not to tear up the dough. The next thing to do is to trim the edge. Trim the edge of the dough and then you set aside. So it's time to make our filling. Oil. I added coconut oil, although it is optional. Go in with onions, ginger, garlic, you can use beef, minced meat or chicken can be used for spring roll. If you want to start up a business with it, another tips you will like to know is consider your target market. Are you catering for weddings, parties, or corporate events? Tailor your menu to meet their needs. Don't forget the power of marketing. There is power in marketing. Utilize social media to showcase your creations and share customers' testimonies. Go in with shredded carrots. Before we continue, you can get permanent access to my recipe cookbooks and other ebooks on easy to make homemade recipes from your hair to your skin, food, baking, and so on. Do check out the description box below to see how you can access them today. Do not cook the veggies for too long so as to retain the crunchiness, the nutrients as well. Also spring onions. Then you stir for a little while before you go in with carrots. Also, you can go in with any other veggies you have available. Just make sure you don't overcook them. Add some flour and a little bit of water to have that gum paste we are using right there. This is before frying your spring rolls. For business purpose, streamline your production process. Invest in quality kitchen equipment and consider bulk buying ingredients to keep costs down. This way, you can focus on growing your business without sacrificing quality. You can also package your small chops like this and keep in the freezer until you're ready to fry. Once it is frozen, it can stay for weeks in the freezer. Fry under low heat and fry till it is golden brown. Always prioritize your client's feedback. Listen to what they love and what could be improved. This will help you grow your offering and build a loyal customer. And don't forget about catering as well. Offer your spring onions for events, corporate gatherings, and parties. This will help you get your name out there. Remember, success takes time and dedication, but with small chops and spring rolls, you are on the path to a rewarding venture. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video and you find it helpful and useful, and if you want more tips on making money, and if you also want more tricks to boost your culinary business, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, comment for more videos, and also share these videos with your friends. See you in our next video.